Hey guys, we are going to review chapters 8 and 9 this morning. I've got a special guest with me this morning. This is Kate. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. So what this is going to work, just like last time, I'm going to show you, I'm going to go through 2 chapters. You'll receive a quiz in the mail or through your email. You'll fill out that quiz and answer those questions based on the information I'm giving you for the classwork today. So we're in chapter 8. If you do have your textbooks, which you're not required to, you're welcome to use those. Those will help you, or you can find information on the internet. I'm okay with all of that. But keep in mind, whatever I say in this video is the information that you need to go with. So for instance, if you hear me say something on here and then you find something in contrast on the internet, you should trust me over what you find. Okay? Hey, you told me you're going to sit still. Okay. All right. Chapter 8 is over the judicial branch. So far, we've gone over the executive and the legislative. We're going to go over the judicial branch. Your chapter is going to go through a lot of the court processes. All right, get down, baby. Sorry. It's going to go through a lot of the court processes. We're not going to worry about that. I'm not necessarily concerned with the legal precedents and how things work inside a courtroom. I would, at one point, my plan was for us to actually go on a field trip and to view a court of law and to see how that looks and how that works. But that did not happen. So we're just going to kind of go through this. It's right there. Okay. All right. So let's just go through these. So first of all, Article 3 of the Constitution, Section 1. Is of the Constitution created the judicial branch of the United States government. So if you are looking at your copies of the Constitution, which you guys can look at that online, or you can look at that in your books if you've got those, that's the section of the Constitution. You guys may remember in class, Dylan talked about that, I believe, in his presentation. I know one of you all did, even if it wasn't Dylan. So all of this was, of course, set up at the first Congress, which met in 1789. When they convened in 1789, they went through all of this, and that was set up. That was put into place. Sweetheart, you have to stop touching the computer. Okay, I told you could sit here and you're interrupting, and you told me to be quiet. Okay? Yeah, I'm absolutely going to have to restart. I'm really disappointed in you. The whole time I was setting up, you were being good, and now you're not. You told me that you could do that. Do you want to try this again?
Hey, Dad.
Okay, this is the last chance, baby.
Just go get in the shower with me.
Daddy, I just